and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, I never meant to be the greatest. I only ever want to be your baby.
Hello. We are driving up to Denver for my birthday weekend. I am turning 28. There's Jordan and John's back there. So we're on our way now. There's supposed to be a storm coming in. It's gonna start apparently tonight, all of tomorrow and Sunday, but we're hoping that it's okay.
Yeah. Well, it was a successful night. We had a lot of fun. Now we're waking up early to get out of here. We got to be out of this Airbnb by 10. Got less than an hour. We don't got any snow yet. Over here, but she's just in a towel, so she'll see you later. But we had a good birthday so far. Is that right?
I stay, wait. I know you ain't out there trying to be my baby. My baby in your soul. Don't ever let me go. I can be your one and only.
Sir, what do you got to say?
It's been a good day.
Maybe it's been years since I genuinely smiled. And maybe it's been years since I wanted to be a part of anything. But lately I've been good. You know, I've actually been great. Man, I even laughed a little today. Oh, it's so strange, it's so strange. Tell me it's okay. Tell me help me now. Because I'm happy now. Tell me it's okay. Tell me help me now. Because I'm happy now. Tell me it's okay. Tell me it's okay. Tell me it's okay.
What are you guys up to?
You just hit the 500
The 500?
twice.
I wasted all my teenage years being a misery factory, but something had to give. I had to finally see the light. I think at 23, it's time to practice what I preach, and what I preach is, tell me it's okay, tell me happy now, because I'm happy now. Tell me happy now, because I'm happy now. Tell me it's okay. Tell me happy now, because I'm happy now. Tell me it's okay. Tell me it's okay. Tell me it's okay. Tell me it's okay. All my wasted hope.
Hey, everybody.
Pueblo brand. They just came out, and like
You gotta say.
drinking and taking pictures with them.
Happy fucking birthday.
That's what it is.
Happy birthday.
Oh, it's your birthday today, huh?
No.
Oh yeah, happy birthday. Happy fucking birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Sarah. I keep rooting for your clothes.
How are you doing?
Good.
You enjoying yourself?
Always.
How you doing?
Good, I love my friend. Hi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday